We be so ready to do what it is that we do. We be so ready.
Yes, we do. We be so ready. Yes, we do. We be so ready.
We be so ready. We be so ready. We be so ready. That fun, yes we do. We be so ready. We be so ready. We be so ready. Yes we do. Always talking about what we enjoy to do. We be so ready. We be so ready. With the ultra.
Talking about the flowers, talking about violets, you know what I mean? So this is Ray with the lyrics, Violet, very peaceful, basking in the moment, very, very peaceful, always talking about the peace that reside. You know we always out here being outstanding, always talking about what we talking about. So
here we go talking about what we talking about. I just be saying anything that come about, so I can make that sound. Yeah. So what we talking about, what we talking about, we talking about being around. Hey, anywhere I go, anywhere we be, I like to sing, yeah, whoa, yeah. Like it to be ready to sing. We be so ready. Ready freestyling each of them days. We be so ready. We be so ready. We be so ready. We be always talking about we so ready to be having fun. Oh, the songs be on. Acapella song, talking about how we been that singing song, talking about how it's the audio, talking about the videos, talking about how we be out here doing all them songs, talking about us, talking about we, talking about everything we be. Talking about how we be so fresh and so clean with the lyrics, lyrical. Yeah, we be so ready to do everything that we be doing. Yeah.
we be so ready though. Yes, we do.
Ready. Singing it. Singing again. So ready. We be so ready. We be on it, oh yes we do, each of them days. We be on it so ready, with the glory, glorified. We be so excited with the excitement that we do within the sky. And we be so ready, we be always ready. We be so ready.
Aria is very R-A-Y.